Hypnotoad says you will learn how to add 8-bit binary integers and explain overflow errors.
Adding 2-bit binary numbers is really easy. In this first part, you just add 0 to 1, which even the most moronic of you will realise is simply 1. Then you move on to the next sets of digits. Here, you're adding 0 to 0, which gives us 0. Then we move on to the next parts, and you're adding up the next two digits, which is 1 plus 0, which gives us 1 as the third digit. This is the first time we face a problem, because we're adding 1 to 1. This gives us the result 2. This is not correct, because in binary code, you can only have 1s and 0s. So what do? Well, this is what you do. You write 0 down, and you carry the 2 forward as a 1 as the next column. Why do you do that? Well, the 4th digit represents 8s, and the 5th digit represents 16. So 2 lots of 8 is the same as 1 lot of 16 and no 8s. So in the next row we add the original 0 and 0, but we also include the 1 we carried over to give us 1 as the 5th digit. Next we move on to the next set of digits, and it's 1 plus 1. Again, this is a problem because it gives us 2, and you can't have 2 in binary code. So we do the same thing again. We make the result of this column 0, and we carry 1 over to the next column. When we add up this column, we add up the original 1 and the other original 0, but we also include the 1 we carried over, which gives us the result 2. As you know, we can't have 2. So we must put 0 as the result of this column and carry 1 over. This has given us a new problem with the last row, because we're adding 1 and 1 plus the additional 1 we've carried over, which gives us the result 3. We can't have 3 in binary code. So what we do is we carry 1 over as if the result was 2, but because the result is 3, we also keep 1 here. This gives us the result 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 as the final result. There is a problem, which is why the last one has been put in orange. It's because we have what's called an overflow problem, because this is a 9-bit number, because there's 9 bits, and it won't fit in 1 byte, which takes up 8 bits.